Hey everyone, and welcome back to Healthy Days. In today's video, we're continuing on with my series of specific healthy foods to be adding into your meal plan for weight loss, gut health, but especially dealing with that inflammation that has been built up in our bodies over the past 10, 15, 20 years. If you've been following along with my channel, you know that we have to break that down to have long-term weight loss results. Last week, we covered the avocados, and I hope you were all able to prioritize adding them into your meal plan. And this week, we're going to keep on course and we're going to add in red pepper, specifically for me, crushed red pepper. It's so powerful for gut health. It helps you to burn fat, boost your metabolism, and even improve your gut health while you're sleeping. So trust me, after today's video, you're never going to look at red pepper the same. I've been adding the red pepper in, like I said, for years, and I love that it's such a super fuel. And this is due to the capsaicin. My research has told me there's a compound called capsaicin, and that's basically just what gives peppers their heat, but they are responsible for a long list of impressive health and weight loss benefits. This includes boosting your metabolism. It's helped me to manage my weight naturally without supplements, and it's incredible for better digestion. If you're having problems with that, give this one a try. But the best part of it is it goes to work at reducing the inflammation that's been built up in our bodies. I've definitely found that red peppers are one of the easiest superfoods to sprinkle into my weekly meal planning. And after researching, I'm thrilled to share the science-based information with you, hopefully to inspire you, and it'll make you want to add them in as well. So if this sounds good to you, subscribe to my channel and let's go over it. They rev your metabolism. Capsaicin temporarily boosts something called thermogenesis, and this is your body's ability to create heat. That means you burn more calories just by eating the spicy foods. That's reason enough for me. They also help curb my appetite. Studies have shown capsaicin can reduce hunger and helps you feel fuller for longer. That means fewer mindless snacks, less cravings. They also support fat oxidation. This means your body gets better at using the fat that's already stored in your body and using it as fuel. They help with digestion. Crushed red pepper stimulates stomach juices, helping your body to break down food more efficiently. Again, all of this is taking place even in your sleep. And they're also so packed with vitamins and antioxidants. I found that just by adding half a teaspoon of crushed red pepper, it can give my meal plan a boost by boosting my metabolism. And again, if what I was eating and then just sprinkling this on boosts my metabolism, I'm all on board for it. It has vitamins, minerals, but one of the best parts is if you don't like spicy foods, even the mild bell peppers, like the regular bell peppers that you buy, the tricolors, they have the nutrients and gut health components that you need and will help with your weight management as well. So like you always hear me say, one of the hardest parts of weight loss, in my opinion, is knowing what to be eating. So I just want to share this with you. And here are some of the simple ways that I add these into my daily and weekly meal plan. And I hope it motivates you and inspires you to do the same. So I will take the crushed red pepper and I will sprinkle it onto my eggs, pasta. I'll sprinkle it over sauteed veggies. I'll add it into my slow cooker recipes. The idea is just to create the micro habit and do it. You can add the chili pepper to your chili, your tacos. I'll eat the raw red pepper with hummus just as a snack, or I'll chop it up and I'll add it into the stir fries, omelets, onto salads. There's so many different ways. Sprinkle it over sweet potatoes. Just be sure this week to get it into your body. It's so simple, but like we always talk about here at Healthy Days, these small micro changes make a huge impact on your weight loss and your metabolism. I am telling you, will definitely thank you. So if crushed red pepper or red peppers are already in your kitchen, you've definitely had a secret weapon this whole time, and now you know how to use it. So, if you've learned something new here today, please go ahead and hit that like button before you go and make sure you're subscribed. And please share this video with someone who you think might benefit from this as much as you are. I hope everyone continues to prioritize their weight loss because remember, you're definitely worth it. I hope everybody has a great day, and I will see you in the next one.